Hi, I'm James Musgrave, and I'm here to break a myth. You can't ask AI how to get rich quick. If everyone got rich at the same time, there wouldn't be rich anymore. I've taught online for over 15 years, worked hands-on with AI for the last 3, and I've won awards for developing curricula, writing novels and stories, and teaching in every format, online, hybrid, and in person. Human success has always come from mastering the technology of the time. Fire, the printing press, the internet, the winners. They used it to communicate better. Now, we have ChatGPT 5. My 4-week course won't promise you yachts, but it will teach you habit-building skills to communicate better, remove obstacles, and use AI to boost your creativity. Because the best survivors aren't the strongest, they're the most creative. And creative people? We remove roadblocks like a caffeinated bulldozer. If you've got $125 and the guts to see how far your creativity can take you, join me. No get-rich-quick schemes, just skills you'll actually use. Sign up at bestglobalai.com/shop.